Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. I thought I would go back to doing my latest in beauty unboxings. At the moment of filming, they are not accepting new subscribers. According to the information that's on their website, they are making some changes to how latest in beauty works. I'm assuming things are still going on as normal for existing subscribers. Too many S's. I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen. I have no more clue than what everyone else has. I'm not entirely surprised they are making changes, because lately the boxes or the selection hasn't been that great, even for me, which I find them, like, I'm always very complimentary of them, and even for me, I've struggled. I've now struggled this month. Maybe it's the fact that we have so much stuff now because of all the beauty boxes that have been around for years. I don't know, but anyway, I struggled this month. There have been a few things that were very interesting and I'm very curious about. But to make up 6 products, kind of struggled a little bit. So let's see what I picked. So I'm starting with the Hall of Fame, which is the Umberto Giannini Scalp Serum Hydration Drops. I got this one because it says it soothes and calms dry, itchy, flaky scalps. I do get dandruff, quite a bit of dandruff, so I'm very curious to see if this one is going to work for that. If not, it's definitely going to work for my partner, because he does have a dry and itchy scalp, and yeah, these things like these are really good for him. It says use daily for a healthy scalp. Daily? Oh gosh, I don't think I'm gonna use it daily. Superfruit enzymes help restore a natural balance. Color safe formula. So if you dye your hair, it should be alright. I had stuff from Umberto Giannini before, hair things, and they were lovely. So I'm excited for this one. Okay, then from a January drop, I bought 2 fragrances. I picked 2 fragrances. So they're both from Sentier. This is Wood Kayak. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it. Apologies if I'm not pronouncing it very well. And the other one is Ballade in Autumn. So autumn ballad basically. And I want to give them a little sniff. So I will put the notes on the screen. This is Ballad in Autumn, and oh, that is really nice. It does feel very autumnal. It's kind of got that fiery woody sense. I am really enjoying this one at first sniff. And let's see the second one. So this one is immediately sweeter. Again, notes will be on the screen, but not overly sweet. I do not like overly sweet perfumes. I do not like them too florally. This one just, oh, it's nice. I am very bad at describing scents, but hopefully with the notes on the screen you'll be able to tell. It makes me think of a rich and deep scent, basically. But it does smell very nice, very balanced. So happy with those. You can see here I have a brush. I kind of struggled with the rest, so I picked a brush. I don't know why I keep saying I bought. This is a drop from December, I think. And I got 2 other brushes in my December box, which I haven't posted. I haven't done a video. So it's the soft focus powder from Nira Beauty. I do enjoy the other 2 brushes. They're like eye brushes, so I thought I would give this brush a go as well, because I do like using a lot of cheek products, and this will be really nice for something like that. And the last 2 items in here are from Dr. Lip. So I got the, what are you? Always makeup remover, cleanser, body wash and shampoo. Kind of like an all-in-one. I was thinking of putting this with travel toiletries. I was expecting this to be smaller for some reason, so I'm very happy that it is this size. So that's it out of the packaging. Just squat it just a little bit so you can see the consistency. Oh, I can see how this one will Oh, nice. So yeah, definitely this one will be good for cleansing and removing makeup. I can tell just from the consistency of it. And yeah, why not? So be using something like that for your body as well. I'm not sure exactly how it's gonna work as a shampoo, but it's good to have something like that when you're traveling. And then the other thing is the Dr. Lip Original Balm. I got this because I'm always on the lookout for a new lip balm. I do have my favorites now, but I did hear such good things about this one, so why not use it and get it as part of the subscription that I'm already paying for. It's medical grade lanolin, so I'm pretty sure this one started, yeah, it is the original nipple balm. There we are, turn around. So yeah, this started as a nipple balm, but a lot of people use it on their lips for very dry lips. And obviously you can use it somewhere else as well. It pretty much says on the box where you apply is your business. So I'm guessing if you have very, very dry skin on your hands, you could also use this one. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting any out right now. This is notoriously hard to get it out of its packaging anyway. And with it being a very cold day today, I think it's kind of like solidified inside. If I'm still having trouble, I'm just gonna cut the thing open because I wanted to put some on my lips right now, but I think I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if it comes to room temperature and try it again. And yeah, I'll leave notes if I have done that because I'm very, very curious. So that's the Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. So this is my latest in beauty selection for the month of January. Let me know what you picked down below in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of these kinds of videos. I also test a lot of makeup on my channel. Have a bit of lifestyle as well. Declutters, things like that. So I would love it if you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet and you're interested in all of that. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.